your trail.
Damn, bro. Why is that? I almost died right there. Oh.
He's back there. I get. Fucking lord.
Alright, Cannon, let's go, bro.
Planted.
Use your ult.
There's no reason to right now.
What do you mean there's no reason to?
That's what I need.
One enemy remaining.
That's 3.
On the wall.
Sorry, Lance.
I should have picked Reyna, man.
Cannon, you're a fucking disappointment, dude.
What the fuck?
Fucking roasting him really quick.
God damn.
Fuck yeah, give me that point, bitches.
Enemy spotted. Spike down A.
I swear. I swear.
Still in sight. For you.
It's my fucking mind, man. I'm gonna go a whole half. Whole half. Again, on that.
None of them. My KU football chat is
Fuck
going
you, you
insane
fucking
right
piece
now.
of shit. Fuck you. Bro. Yeah.
Fuck.
Last player. One enemy remaining.
Didn't them just say don't worry? And what
Hold
did
on.
you just
Wait,
go
1 second,
immediately do?
1 second.
Oh!
Oh, he's clutch. Okay, sorry, Bryce.
I'm reporting you.
Oh my god!
Enemy remaining. One enemy remaining. Resource.
You're hot. I did too. What the fuck?
Oh.
One enemy remaining.
No. No.
I literally just said that, but whatever.
Hey, you said dark
Dark
hair.
hair.
Black girl said that.
This is my character.
Yep.
This is my character.
Oh my god!
This is my character.
Spike down A.
Spike spotted A.
I double dinked him. Don't you dare take this.
Well,
Why did I say that?
What a lie, man.
Yeah, I'm like, why did I?
Usually people say, oh, I was on the phone.
One enemy
Oh
remaining.
my god.
Us?
Get on, man.
I've been on this entire time. I decided to join a game, and then that's when you go.
Why is Reggie in
Keep
the
back
back?
this way, man. Fuck.
What? Do we know why Rantanen is on the second line?
One enemy remaining.
Holy shit, that was fucking massive.
Last player standing. Spike down A.
Oh my god.
Nice.
He teleported away.
Yeah, he teleported U-Haul.
I got fucking finessed. Adam.
Enemy
Swear if I
spotted
can
B.
tap you. Fuck me.
Reloading.
Ow. Ow.
Holy.
Enemy spotted B.
I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god.
Shit.
Damn.
That's...
Reloading.
I'll tell you. I hit her.
I hit this.
What you do?
Spike down B.
Ian.
I'm done. How does that...
What the? What? Since when does that do that? Hello?
Spike down A. Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
Mm-hmm.
Don't mess with this Bayana.
Look at me, Raze. Look at me.
You can kill her up here right now.
She's hit 19.
Nice.
Wanna push you?
Yeah, she's right there. Bring's right there on KJ.
I love this dude's calls. He's right there, and she's back there, and he's over
Yeah.
there.
Why are you B?
That should be main and mid. Or just slow to your right, Sage, and plant. She's gonna come to your right here.
One enemy remaining.
Nice, good shit. Probably watch your mid main right now.
Do something.
Come on.
Main.
I got it.
You have too slow, Sage.
Please don't leave me in
Left
my
Left side wall, you saw him.
I'm lagging my ass off.
Might be close.
He's a scout, not B.
Still in sight.
You can peek him.
Teasing me. You're teasing me.
What do you
Get out of my face. Get out of my face, bro.
Spike down.
Bryce, you're a fucking moron, dude.
We just got collided because he won't get out of my fucking way.
Well, that was unpredicted.
Last player standing.
Jesus Christ. I'm going
Hello?
on
There's two there.
Hello? He's walking right in front of you guys. On cat. Okay, on my screen he was. Bryce, go sit in this
Rotating,
corner.
rotating.
Go sit in that corner.
I couldn't get to it. Fuck.
Let's
Spike
go.
down mid.
Let's go, daddy. I mean, daddy. I mean, daddy. I mean, daddy. I mean, daddy.
Daddy?
Oh my god.
C2.
Spike down B.
I'm gonna go B. What's
What
up?
happened? I used to
Get out of this game.
Jerk me!
I just wheezed so bad.
I know, that was wonderful. Bro, it is
Level
so
8,
hot.
it was a level
and everything, bro.
Spike down A.
Yeah, I don't know
One
about push
enemy
up this game,
remaining.
bro.
Razor.
Dude! Holy fuck!
Love you long time, mock socks.
Alright, let's fight the gym leader. Let's do it.
Bryce?
Oh!
I can't play ball. I'm sorry, I just can't do
It
it.
wasn't even me, you dumb
It was
fuck.
you.
What did I do?
You fucking killed me. You've killed me both my stocks.
I
Because you're a
didn't even
fag
kill
and
you.
chased me around
That
with
was-
guns. And then
That's
you
not
fucking
even
yes,
me.
you're
I'm Cassidy, you
Cassidy!
dumb
Yes,
fuck.
you're Cassidy!
When did I hit you? I didn't even have guns out, you dumb fuck.
You don't
I
have to
have
have
a
guns
hammer.
to kill people.
I have
Pussy.
hammer out. You just said I chased you around with my guns.
That's
I'm
my
not
first
having-
stock.
I
The
was
second
fighting.
stock.
I
The
was
second
fighting
stock.
Cannon.
This is
I
the
was
best
fighting
argument I've ever
Cannon.
heard.
Did he not kill me? Am I retarded?
Yes.
No, I'm not asking you, dumb fuck.
I did not just kill you.
Oh my
You did.
No, I didn't. I was
With
fighting
with
Lex.
your fucking neutralite.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, but that is the funniest argument I've ever heard. I'm not fucking asking you!
God, you fucking ate. Shut up. Sorry.
Oh, Bryce, you're so funny, man.
I didn't even do anything.
You did! You killed me! I promise you. What's the move where you reach up, grab him with your hammer, and throw him straight down?
Recovery.
What's that move?
Recovery.
Recovery.
Your recovery, then. You fucking killed me with your recovery.
I didn't
Over the
even
edge.
recovery at that time.
Oh my god. Bryce, you're a retard. I'm telling you.
It wasn't me, you dumb
We got
fuck.
Cannon, please clip.
Who
Please
else has
clip.
hammer? Who else has hammer?
I
Tell me.
don't know, but
Tell
it
me who
wasn't
else
me,
has
you
hammer.
dumb fuck.
Tell me.
You can't say I was chasing you around when I was fighting
first
fucking
stock.
Cannon.
The first stock you chased me around. You said, you know what we need to do, boys. And you fucking chased me around
Yeah,
and
it was
doubled
after-
down at me.
yeah, 'cause you
and then
complained
you
about
left
the
me alone,
guns.
which is fine. You left me alone, which is
Yes.
fine. And then you killed me with your fucking hammer, and I just hate you. That's it. That's the
I
end of
didn't even
this.
kill you though. I didn't even kill you though.
Is there a way to see who killed you? Is that a possibility?
We can watch the game.
Yeah, watch the clip.
I'm watching the fucking replay, and you're watching it with me, Bryce. Dumb fuck. I didn't recovery right there, Bryce, by the way. How do you watch replays, man?
Bryce
Oh,
does have
replay.
hammer. You did recovery him, Bryce. You did.
Wait.
You recovered him. I'm not kidding.
It's for getting gauntlets is like 90%.
You only on site, or you only. What the fuck?
Yeah, I only have gauntlet characters. Oh my god!
Why are you mad?
Fucking quit it!
Why is he mad? Nothing happened.
You're fucking spamming attacks on me, bro! Pussy! Oh, thank you.
Everyone throws every single weapon they have and every single fucking piece of utility on the map, dude. I don't get it.
Dude, get it!
I'm already at orange, though. Let's go. Oh, why didn't I punish there?
You're so gross.
Let's go!
You're so
Let's
gross.
go! Let's go! Fucking clip that shit.
Oh, you don't get out? Oh, the bomb!
So gross.
Oh my god, I almost just vomited
That was
everywhere.
so-
Shit cooked right now.
I am too. Like soft.
Just
Okay!
all three of us are. Lex is the only one.
Oh my god! That was insane! That was insane! That was a duo combo too!
Fuck! Dude just in a clip.
They
Killed himself.
themselves. Yeah.
Are you...
He meant
I
that,
hate you
Bryce.
so much,
You
Bryce.
can tell he meant that.
Oh.
Please come back. Please come back. I'm so sorry. I really tried to save you.
I'm having so much fun. Bryce, don't ever fucking pick this map again, you piece of shit!
I didn't have to pick this map.
Well,
It's
you
all
did.
your fucking fault.
This is always a little low.
How the fuck? Hams of the fuck? Gotcha. No.
Oh my god.
Work.
Oh, you guys can see me. Oh, I almost missed someone.
Get her. Let's not do that.
Oh my god. Double kill. Oh!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I won't kill you. I won't kill you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, good to know.
Dude, this is not a good idea to be playing right now. I gotta see who's the alpha in the room.
That's facts. There's one guy in fucking band. Oh my god, he's got a fucking dumpy.
He's stuck.
He's got a dumpy, dude.
I really hope Cannon's like lurking right now. He just clips that.
Yeah. Ooh.
Bye. Wow. What the fuck? Adam.
Yeah, she could stick that antler so far up my ass, bro.